Hi, welcome to Sew Tangle Quilts again. This is part two of the unboxing that I started yesterday. As I said, I got a bunch of fabric in the other day, and I'm trying to get all of these unboxings done within the next couple of days so that you can see all of the pretty new fabric that I've gotten in. And I'm just so excited to share it with you. Today we're doing a box that came from Banyan Batiks. They are a subsidiary of Northcott Fabrics. So it's a very high quality fabric. I absolutely love their fabrics. They feel nice. The colors are really saturated and bright, and I just really like them. So let me give you a look at what I've got. This first one is called Island Vibes, and it's a pink fabric, but it's leaning more towards kind of orangey. And it has these really pretty sunflowers, I guess, maybe. Very free-form flower. The next one from Island Vibes. This one really comes across as island. As you can see, again, it's pink, but it has these pops of green and blue, kind of oceany looking. It looks very Hawaiian to be, and I think it's really interesting how it's got this kind of bright, vivid green in with the pinks. And as you can see, they go really nice together. Okay, this one is a different line. It's called Spectrum, but I love the way it goes with these two fabrics over here. You can see it picks up this blue in the pink, and it has kind of the same graphic feel, kind of Hawaiian-y pattern with these little hexagons, I guess. Okay. This next one I thought was really interesting. It's from a line called Apothecary. I'm not really sure what that has to do with fabric, but as you can see, it's got this very graphic stripe to it. Green and tan, or cream if you will. I thought this would be really, really pretty as a binding, or if you wanted to set the blocks on point. It would give you, kind of that vertical line, and I think it would be really pretty as a border or something like that. Okay. And along the same lines, this one has kind of a stripy feel to it also. It's from a line called Destination. And I thought it was interesting. The lines are kind of interrupted by this very geometric pattern. Again, I think it gives it a lot of texture and gives it kind of an interesting look to it. I think it would, again, be really pretty for binding or borders. Okay, now in the big box, and this is from the Destination line also. This has a very, very dark, I don't know if you can tell, it's a very dark royal blue in here that's almost purple, and yet it still has kind of this tan, kind of orangey pinky feel to it with a real dark navy blue background. And the large, I guess these are flowers or leaves or whatever, I'm not real sure. And another one from Destination. This one is more of kind of an oceany blue. It's not quite as purple as the last one was. It's more teal, I guess, kind of that greenish blue. Again, it has a very pretty abstract pattern in it. Okay. And then this is the same print as that royal blue one I just showed you. If you look at it, you can see these kind of leafy flowers, but this is more in a green and teal colorway, where the other one was more purple and royal blue. Okay. This one is from a line called Flower Petals. Not really sure where they're getting that from because there's no flowers in it. But I just liked the blue color. Again, it kind of ties in with the teal and green blue, but it also has this burnt orange color in it and this little pop of a goldish yellow. And I think it just added a little bit of visual interest where the other ones were kind of tone on tone on tone. This one has a lot of different varieties of colors. And my pile's getting awfully big over there. These last two I just really, really love. It's a line called Roundabout. And as you can see, it's full of these little bubbles. To me, it looks effervescent. It reminds me of champagne or watercolor, splotches where someone takes the brush and just with wild abandon splashes the color on it. It's on a purple background with a blue kind of aqua blue color. And then this one is the same print, only instead of purple and blue, it's in green and blue. It has a dark, not quite navy, but a dark blue on this splotched green background. So anyway, that's all of the batiks that I had that came in. Would love for you to stop by sometime and take a look at what we've got. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon.